Making fractions fun. How to convert fractions to decimals using a calculator. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey of understanding numbers, specifically, fractions and decimals. Our focus in this video will be on learning how to convert fractions into decimals using a calculator. So, grab your calculator and let's get started. Before we start the conversion process, it's crucial to understand what fractions and decimals are. A fraction is a way of expressing a number as a ratio of two numbers. The number on the top is called the numerator, and the one on the bottom is called the denominator. On the other hand, a decimal is another way of representing a whole number or a fraction of a number, based on the base 10 number system. The magic behind converting a fraction to a decimal lies in the simple concept of division. Yes, you heard that right. A fraction is simply a division problem. The numerator, top number, is divided by the denominator, bottom number, to yield a decimal. Now, let's delve into the actual conversion process using a calculator. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Enter the numerator. On your calculator, type in the number found on the top of your fraction. 2. Press the divide button. This button is usually represented by a slash, or a horizontal line. 3. Enter the denominator. Now type in the number found at the bottom of your fraction. 4. Press equals. Pressing the equals button, smiley face, will execute the division operation, converting the fraction to a decimal. To illustrate this, let's convert the fraction 3/4 to a decimal using a calculator. 1. Type 3, the numerator. 2. Press the divide button. 3. Type 4, the denominator. 4. Press equals. The result displayed on your calculator should be 0.75, which is the decimal equivalent of the fraction 3/4. And that's how you convert fractions to decimals using a calculator. It's as simple as a division operation. With a little practice, you'll become a pro in no time. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take is progress. So, keep exploring, keep practicing, and make math your friend. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next math adventure. Happy calculating!